Today we're going to be getting into the second set of combos for level 1.9 for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be going over the second set of combos for level 1.9, which are kind of similar to skip transitions. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your first set of combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So the first combo that we're going to do today is a front scoot round to a front scoot round. So you're going to do your front scoot round and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around to a front side stance and put your cheat leg on the ground, and then throw your front scoot round. The second combo is going to be a front swipe hook to a front swipe hook. So you're going to do your front swipe hook and land in a backside stance. Turn around to a front side stance and put your swing knee on the ground. Then you're set up to throw your front swipe hook. Third combo is going to be a back scoot round to a back scoot round. So you're going to do your back scoot round and follow through to a front side stance. Spin around to a back side stance and put your cheat leg on the ground and throw your back scoot round. The last combo is going to be a back swipe hook to a back swipe hook. So you're going to do your back swipe hook and follow through to a front side stance. Spin around to a back side stance and put your swing knee on the ground. And from there, you're set up to throw your back swipe hook. Now, obviously, if you're going to be throwing these combos, make sure that you have all your grounded flip kicks relatively well. And again, I want to encourage you guys to mix up these combos with some of the kicking combos that we did earlier in the curriculum. Now, remember for combos, always think about the move that you're doing as you're doing it, and just try to take it slow in the beginning. And once you feel a little bit more comfortable, you can add a little bit more speed and power. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for this tutorial. I just want to thank everybody who is supporting this channel, and if you would like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into the third set of combos for level 1.9, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Yee. I didn't even say.